In a world where digital currencies redefine wealth and freedom, one journey stands out, marking the path to an unprecedented success. Welcome to Vega Stellar, your compass in the vast universe of cryptocurrency. I'm Nathan, and I've navigated through the highs and lows of the crypto cosmos to bring you treasures hidden in plain sight. In 2021, I found ways to succeed in the ups and downs of the crypto market. Now I want to help you find great crypto investments for the future. Vega Stellar is more than a crypto channel. It's a place for smart investors who want to discover big opportunities in crypto. If you want to grow your crypto knowledge and get ready for big changes in 2024 to 2025, you're at the right spot. Keep watching to see why Vega Stellar is the best guide for your crypto journey. Our mission is to illuminate the path to crypto investing with a profound emphasis on fundamental analysis. It's not just about the trends or the hype, it's about digging deep to uncover the core value and long-term potential of each project. You might ask, what sets Vega Stellar apart in the crypto universe? The answer lies in our unwavering commitment to foundational research. Our focus extends beyond surface-level metrics to the very essence of each project. Project viability is our starting point. We explore each project's goals, technology, and roadmap to assess its feasibility and potential to disrupt the traditional financial ecosystem. Real-world application is paramount. We delve into how the project solves its existing problems, its user adoption potential, and partnerships that could drive its success. The expertise and integrity of the team behind the project are non-negotiable. We spotlight projects led by visionary yet pragmatic leaders, those who have a track record of innovation and execution. Lastly, market need. True innovation meets a demand. We identify projects that not only introduce novel solutions, but also cater to significant unmet needs within the crypto and broader financial markets. For each video, we'll spotlight a single cryptocurrency. It's all about going deep, exploring why it has potential to succeed and what might happen. Every episode focuses on one crypto project. We'll break down its technology, vision, and how it stands out in the market. I'll share why I believe in its potential and the time frame to watch. Embark on a journey of discovery with Vega Stellar. Subscribe now and let's navigate the path to explosive crypto investments. We're all gonna be making life-changing money together. Not financial advice, of course.